Supreme Court on Monday instructed the Air Quality Management Committee to consider relaxing restriction on physical classes in schools, colleges and educational institutions in Delhi NCR, which were imposed last week due to severe air pollution. The court directed a decision on resuming physical classes for grades 10th and 12th to be made by this evening or tomorrow. The bench, comprising Justice Abhay S. Oka and Justice Augustine Georgi Meshi, emphasized that many students are unable to access midday meals due to the suspension of physical classes. It also noted that the lack of air purifiers in many homes leaves indoor air quality no better than outdoor conditions. Furthermore, the bench directed NCR states to utilize Labour Seized funds to support workers affected by the ongoing construction ban. Meanwhile, GRAP 4 restrictions will remain in effect in Delhi NCR until the next hearing on November 28. Justice Sandeep Sharma of the Himachal Pradesh High Court heard a petition on Monday challenging the election of Bharatiya Janata Party MP Kangana Ranaut from the Mandi Lok Sabha seat. Kangana Ranaut's lawyer submitted a reply in court, while the petitioner, Layak Ram Negi's lawyer, requested and was granted 4 weeks to respond. The next hearing is scheduled after this period. Negi has alleged that his nomination papers were improperly rejected, seeking the cancellation of the Mandi Lok Sabha election. He claims that despite submitting the required retirement certificates on time, the election officer rejected his nomination. Negi further stated that he could have potentially won the election if allowed to contest. The Supreme Court had stated the Calcutta High Court's order directing the CBI to investigate allegations of custodial torture involving 2 women arrested during protest against a crime committed against a woman doctor. Instead, the Supreme Court formed a special investigation team to probe the matter. The division bench, comprising Justice Suryakant and Ujjwal Bhuiya, requested a list of IPS officers from the state government for inclusion in the SIT. Based on this list, the court constituted the SIT, which includes officers from outside West Bengal. The Supreme Court has rejected petitions by MP Subramaniam Swamy and advocates Ashwini Upadhyay and Balram Singh, seeking to remove the words socialist and secular from the preamble of the Constitution. These words were added in 1976 through the 42nd Constitutional Amendment during Indira Gandhi's tenure as Prime Minister. The court clarified that the preamble's adoption date does not limit Parliament's authority to amend it. The Supreme Court has postponed the hearing of Balwant Singh Rajona's plea in the BN Singh murder case by 4 weeks. Rajona seeks a reduction of his death sentence, citing delays in addressing his mercy petition. A bench comprising Justice B.R. Gavai, Prashant Kumar Mishra and K.V. Vishwanathan adjourned the matter after Additional Solicitor General K.M. Nataraj and Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, representing the centre, requested additional time. The court emphasized that case's sensitivity and the need for further input from relevant agencies. Watch our special programs and share the videos to stay updated with the daily court proceedings.